What's up guys, Taylor here with Boogey Lights. Today we're taking a look at this 2011 Fleetwood Southwind. It's a 36-foot gasser that our friends from the Great White North brought us yesterday, Daryl and Tracy. We did the full perimeter underglow as well as an awning light package on this. Now the full perimeter underglow, you can find it on our website under our easy order full perimeter. Now this does have the heavy duty upgrade, so it's got heavier duty strips for the front. I generally like to put the heavier duty strips in the front and the very rear because those are the two places that seem to take the most action there. We also added a step light for the top step here, helps fill out this area really nicely. And then you can see the awning up high. So everything that he's got here is operating on one dual zone controller, so he's got complete control with one remote from the top and the bottom. So the bottom's on zone 1 and the top is on zone 2. So if I shut off the top there, if I shut off the bottom, you'll see it's just leaving on the awning, and vice versa. I can shut off the awning and leave on just the underglow. Now this whole system is also not only a multicolor, but it's got the warm white option, so I can shut off the whole system and turn on just the warm white. Kind of gives you that nice soft elegant white. Total install was about 10 hours to complete, about 8 hours on the underglow, about 2 hours on the awning. Also on the awning, you can see the strip looks kind of more like a light bar right now. That's because we put it into an aluminum channel and it's got an opaque diffuser that goes over top of it. We use it on a lot of our commercial products, stuff where you can't hide the light strip. Dresses it up really nicely. You can see there's about 8 feet of light behind the axle here, and then he's got 3 individual strips across the rear as well. Lights up the back really nicely. Now the whole thing is controlled by what's known as our control center. It's kind of the brains of the operation, if you will. It's right next to his batteries, which are underneath his steps in here. So we like to get it nice and close to the battery. You can see it in the top right corner. That whole thing is on like a heavy duty Velcro. So this whole box will pop off of here if you ever need to work on it or get to it, access it. Now also there's a little switch in there, which once you go around to the other side, I'll show you, it's a driver side shutoff. So since the bottom is all on one zone, it allows you to just flip the switch and kill just the driver side over there. So say you are in close quarters somewhere and you don't want to disturb your neighbors, you can come to the bay right here, flip this switch. That's going to shut off a little piece up front as well as the entire driver side, and then a little piece in the back there to minimize any sort of bleed that will come out from underneath the lights to spread over there to the driver side. Very cool feature. It allows you to still use one remote when you want to do an awning and an underglow, but also have the added feature of being able to shut that driver side off. Now, everything that you see here was done in-house in Florence, Kentucky at Boogey Lights. Give us a call and get lit up today.